In recent days, a photo claiming to showcase the Galaxy S25 Ultra has been circulating on social media. However, after a thorough analysis and insights from our sources, we can confidently assert that this image is fake. If you encounter this photo presented as the first hands-on look at the Galaxy S25 Ultra, approach it with skepticism. It's likely a fabricated image, and while it could be a rare prototype that may never reach production, our strong inclination is towards it being a counterfeit. One striking detail in the image is its resemblance to the Galaxy Z Fold 6. In fact, the device depicted appears to be a modified version of the Z Fold 6, featuring identical antenna and microphone placements, a similar camera layout, and a side button design reminiscent of devices with side-mounted fingerprint sensors, distinguishing it from the Galaxy S series. Furthermore, the image shows only 3 visible rear-facing sensors, aligning with the design of Samsung's foldable phones but not matching our expectations for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. In other news, Samsung's ambitious plans for its Exynos 2500 chip have officially been abandoned. Reports confirm that the Galaxy S25 series will exclusively utilize the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip globally. This marks a significant shift, as for the first time, users won't need to purchase the Ultra model to experience top-tier performance. Standard models of the Galaxy S25 will also deliver exceptional speed. Looking ahead, the S26 series is rumored to incorporate the Snapdragon 9 Elite. Efficiency is a key highlight of the S25 series, thanks to the Snapdragon 8 Elite, which offers a remarkable 44% improvement in power efficiency over its predecessor. However, to cut costs, Samsung will use M13 OLED panels instead of the latest M14 panels. M14 displays are about 20% more power efficient than M13, leading to questions about the decision, especially as Samsung provides its premium M14 OLED panels to competitors like Apple for the iPhone 16 Pro series. Leaked information regarding the Galaxy S25 Ultra's color options suggests it will feature a titanium side frame available in black, blue, green, and titanium. While the first 3 colors closely resemble those of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, the green option is a new addition, although it's uncertain whether it will be a light or dark shade. As we anticipate the flagship release, there are several reasons to be excited about the Galaxy S25 Ultra. The device promises significant upgrades, including the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, which offers a 45% performance boost and enhanced efficiency. Its camera system will carry over a 200MP main camera, while introducing a new 50MP ultra-wide lens, enhancing photography capabilities. Additionally, the S25 Ultra will maintain a 5000 mAh battery, supporting 45-watt fast charging, ensuring robust performance. Samsung's latest software iteration, One UI 7, is expected to bring improved graphical changes, enhanced interactivity, and a focus on security and privacy. With the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor being implemented globally, it marks a notable shift in Samsung's chipset strategy. Are you excited for the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below.